On this episode, we're going to use one of these, some of this, one of these, stuff in here. The problem is, this hose has no home. Our mission today is to give it one. Here's how to make a garden hose holder. Right now! Step one, have a garden hose that needs to be contained. We've all been there. We've all seen it. We've all wrestled with the hose, tried to get it to drape and roll on a thing that sticks out from the house, or to coil it up into one of those boxes. Usually a wrestling match that's not that much fun. I've got a different take on that problem solution scenario, and it starts with this. A 2x4! This is the back. We're going to cut this 3 feet long right now. Right after I release the saw. Then we're going to cut 2 pieces of 2x6, 6 inches long. Then we'll cut 2 pieces of 2x4. Is that square? That's square. 12 inches long. We'll change the battery, then we'll cut them 12 inches long. Cut 2 pieces 12 inches long. These get an extra detail. That detail is this. I'm going to go over to 60. Your saw goes to 60, go to 60. I'm going to put the corner of this 2x right to the edge of the throat plate. That way I can replicate it on the other piece. Do 2. It's not supposed to do that. This is bent. Hold on a sec. That's better. So, center your 2x6 perpendicular to your 2x4 this way and this way. On these 2 pieces of wood, it's about 7/8. Now that's 15/16. 15/16. Do I need to be this persnickety? No, but it's good practice. Give or take 4. Give or take 2. I actually like it like this. You know what? I'm going to buy myself another inch. Who am I kidding? 5 up, 1 down. 15. 15. Then a number 10x3. Screw it to it. And as my French teacher used to say, répétez. While I'm thinking about 60-degree bevels, why not put one on here too? And if you got a good side or a bad side, might as well stick the good side out. That's towards the bevel on this piece. Glass! So pretty. Just to be overly clear, this 2x4 here is only acting as a work table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to square up my end, go bevel to bevel, get my offset, and pop 2 in here, like this. That should ought to do it. Garden hose holder, not a piano. Sometimes done is better than perfect. All right, freeze this side. Let's go get it installed and see if it works. I have a trim piece on this deck I'm building here, I want to pack out for the garden hose holder so that it sits flush and this jaw is as open as possible to accept the garden hose. I don't want it to sit underneath here, be all truncated. This is the point. And so my screws don't hit each other when I install this. I usually go top left, bottom right, but here I'll go top right, bottom left. Oh, that's nice. Let's just do all this in one take. Flush it up, send it home. Now, let's see if it all works. That'd be handy. And that, my friends of the Good Ship Backyard DIY project, that's how to make a garden hose holder. I'll see you on the next one.